Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 576, that is out of boundary paths, and in this there will be an mn2n grid with a ball inside that grid, and the ball will be initially placed at start or start column. This will be given, and we are allowed to move the ball to one of the four adjacent cells in the grid, which could be possibly none, and we can apply at most maximum moves to the ball. Okay, we will be given 5 integers and we have to return the number of paths to move the ball out of the grid. Okay, since the answer may be like, okay, so that's all. And in this, let's look at the first example. The size of grid is 2 into 2 and we are having maximum moves 2. So in total we'll be having 6 ways to move the ball out of the grid. That is, we can go here, then we can go here, it will take 2 moves to go here, we can go straight, we can go in. These will be all the possible ways in which we can make the move go out of the grid. Okay, so it's a easy recursion question. So let's start with declaring the mod globally, and mod will be equal to, let's typecast into int 1 e 9 plus 7, and let's have an integer dp array. You can take int also, but I'll, for the sake of my easiness, I'll be just going with the dp array, and we'll be requiring a 3D dp array for this because we will be storing maximum move m and n in this. And let's declare these also, int m and n also globally for the sake of easiness. And yeah, now let's initialize the dp array with m and n and max move plus 1 because of the one based indexing. Okay, so this is the thing, and okay, this dot m will be equal to m and this dot n will be equal to n, and let's call the function that will be find all paths. This will be taking parameters as just m, max move, m and n. Okay, and we'll be returning this only, return this. Okay, so now let's declare a function private of type int, and this will be taking parameters as maximum move, max move, and int m, int okay, not sorry, here we'll be passing the starting row and the starting column. Okay, so there will be only for every row we can have 2 ways that if the index becomes less than 0 or index becomes greater than the size of the grid, that is for the m size. Okay, so here we'll be accepting int row and int column. Okay, so now we'll be setting that if my row becomes less than 0 or my row becomes greater than m, okay, greater than or equal to m, or my column becomes less than 0 or my column becomes greater than or equal to n. So that's a valid way, so we'll be returning 1. And if I'll be checking that if my max moves become 0, I'll be returning 0 because that's not a possible way. Then I'll be checking that if the result is already calculated, that if dp row column and max move is not equal to null. Okay, so that means it is already calculated, so we'll be returning dp row call and maximum move. Okay, so we'll be having potentially 4 ways of doing this, so we'll be okay, so yeah, so we'll be having 4 possible ways. So let's just okay, I want this cursor to be here only. Yeah, and so let's have answer equal to, oh okay, sorry, I forgot to declare the answer variable, and answer equal to 0. Yeah, my bad. And okay, so answer will be equal to answer plus, and we'll be calling the function again that, oh, I forgot to even write the function name, find all paths. Yeah, and find all paths with max move -1, because the maximum will be decreasing in all the cases, and row -1 with the stagnant column, and we'll be doing the mod for all of this. So shift and then let's call the mod. Okay, so let me just change these values, that row minus this is fine. So in this, let's do row +1 and let the column be same. In this, let's decrease the column -1, and in this, let's just increase the column. Okay, and we'll be storing this answer in the dp array. So we'll be returning dp row column and max move will be equal to answer. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, compiler error, illegal start of exp. Oh, dp equal to new int. Now let's run it. Cannot. Oh, sorry, new integer. Now let's run it. Okay, so I guess I made some mistakes. So the output that I'm getting is 12, but expected is 6. Am I calculating some twice? Oh, okay. So I should declare the answer variable in the function only. Yeah, now let's run it. Yeah, and gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today, and thank you for watching.